If you feel pain right here, it could be TMJ disorder, often caused by muscle tension, stress, or imbalance in how your jaw works. TMJ disorder doesn't only affect your jaw. It can trigger headaches, discomfort while chewing, clicking or popping sounds, teeth grinding, pain that radiates to your neck and shoulders, and even dizziness. TMJ changes can affect your body and cause pain anywhere in your body. To help relieve this, I use advanced pain management techniques, including peripheral neuromodulation, to target the source of pain and restore proper function. This approach works by modulating nerve activity, reducing pain signals, and letting your muscles relax and recover naturally. Each treatment is personalized, focusing on restoring balance and improving your overall quality of life. If you're experiencing these symptoms, don't ignore them. There are effective ways to treat TMJ disorder and help you feel better.